Hey, I'm Chanel, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a boring sky with something a little more exciting using your One X2 and invisible selfie stick. So let's get started. Mount the One X2 on the invisible selfie stick. Fully extend the selfie stick. Record video in 5.7K 30 frames per second for the best results. Walk around a location with a clear view of the sky. The more sky in your video, the better the result will be. To edit your video using the Sky Swap effect, go to the Stories tab, Shot Lab, tap Sky Swap, and use this theme. Select your video. Choose which part of the video clip to apply the Sky Swap effect to. Tap Next. Wait for the AI to finish processing the video. Choose a sky of your choice. Set the playback angle to custom and reframe the video. Tap Export, Direct Export, Export again, and that's it. And now you know how to create a Sky Swap shot. Share your video using the hashtag SkySwap and hashtag Insta360, and that's it. Thanks for watching.